I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Identify your Mac's port and attach any USB-C adapter, because physical compatibility matters. Once connected, unlock your laptop and plug the pen drive until you hear the mount sound or see an icon in Finder. Make sure Finder preferences show external disks so the device is visible. This prevents wasted steps. If it doesn't appear immediately, wait 10 seconds and try a different port. Sometimes the adapter seating is the only issue, so confirm a solid connection. You'll now access files and choose the right format, because format dictates compatibility and speed. Open Finder, select the pen drive, then drag and drop or use copy/paste to transfer files. That handles small batches quickly. If you need a different file system, launch Disk Utility. Choose XFAT for Windows compatibility or apps/Mac OS extended for Mac-only features and speed. If the drive mounts read-only due to NTFS, use a third-party driver or reformat after backing up. Finish by confirming the transfer and ejecting safely, because corrupt files or data loss come from hasty removal. You should open a couple of transferred files or compare sizes. For critical data, run a checksum in Terminal to verify integrity. Once satisfied, eject the pen drive via Finder or right-click Eject. Don't yank it out. If the drive fails to mount, try a different port or adapter, then run Disk Utility First Aid. If that fails, test the drive on another computer to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.